Mansi and Smita, promoters of My Center and Trinetra, are devoted to spread the knowledge of past life regression and meditation. They have been doing energy work since 1998 and have given healing to thousands. They are also doing research in the subject of past life regression and the benefits of meditation. They have taught meditation to thousands through workshops or free seminars and lectures. Their centers are located in Pune and Nasik in India, and they are invited to conduct workshops in other cities too.
As Lord Shri Krishna has said, just as we discard our worn-out clothes and wear fresh, clean ones, so also we discard our old, worn-out bodies and take new ones. This is reincarnation. The process of taking birth again and again is known as reincarnation. We continue to take birth in this human form till we learn all the lessons to be learned on this earth plane. Maharishi Patanjali has mentioned the concept of Pratiprasav in the Yoga Sutras. Prati is again and Prasav is to take birth. Gautam Buddha has narrated stories of more than 500 of his past lives in the Jataka tales. Lord Mahavir has talked about Jati Smaran, which means memories of the past. The ancient people of countries like Tibet, China, Greece, South Africa believe in the concept of reincarnation. Researchers like Dr. Brian Weiss, Roger Woolger, Edgar Cayce have also collected many evidences to prove the benefits of past life regression. Ian Stevenson and Carol Bowman have done a lot of research on small children and their adult past memories. Dr. Raymond Moody has worked on the subject of near-death experience. In India, Dr. Newton and Dr. Lakshmi are on a great mission to spread this knowledge here and throughout the world. To regress is to go back into the past from now, in this life or any other life. To remove a thorny plant, it has to be uprooted from the ground. We carry blocks from our past experiences, which are the root causes of our issues in the current life. They could be issues related to health, wealth, relationships, fears and phobias, or jinxed cases.
I toured a lot for my work. I had an intense pain in my back.
Whenever I saw anyone consuming alcohol or smoking cigarettes, I would be very disturbed and would begin to cry. When I recently learned cooking, I realized that I had a fear of cooking gas.
A competing player needs to play a lot of practice tournaments. I couldn't practice because my right shoulder developed pain. I couldn't even lift my hand. I also used to have a shooting pain for 2 to 3 seconds in the left side of my chest, and it was unbearable.
I was very attached to my grandfather, but unfortunately, I could not be with him at the time of his death. Carried a lot of guilt because of this and was constantly disturbed at the back of my mind. Due to an unpleasant incident, my nephew Aditya developed a fear to go to school by van. I went to Mansi to take regression sessions mainly because I was seeking answers to some questions that had been disturbing me. My relationship with my brothers was very unstable.
Physical ailments like backaches, diabetes, arthritis, repeated fractures or pains, psychological disorders like depression, mood swings, fears and phobias of water, fire, height, claustrophobia or fear of enclosed spaces, issues related to work or jinxed cases, relationship issues, Many a times, all these kinds of issues have their root cause in the past experiences. A person needs to take the help of trained experts to find the root causes of these issues and release the blocks that he carries. To get best results, the process and the regressionist has to be trusted. The regressionists are sworn to confidentiality. A person needs to take at least 5 sessions to resolve an issue. A deep-rooted issue may require more sessions. Past life regression is a very safe process. The only side effect is a feeling of lightness, freedom, and clarity.
I had tried a lot of remedies, but nothing seemed to work. Relief was always temporary. During that period, I met Smita Wankhede, who introduced me to the concept of past life regression, but I did not believe it. As it is, I had tried a lot of remedies, so I thought of giving this a try. She gave me 4 to 5 sessions. It was indeed a pleasant experience. During the session, I understood that the root cause of my backache was in some unpleasant experiences of my past lives. She asked me many questions, and we realized that even my dreams were correlated to my backache. My backache has since healed.
I saw that in a past life, I had died due to excess consumption of alcohol, which was the cause of my fear. I have come out of that fear and anxiety now. It was like a second birth to me. I feel that we get so connected to this physical world that we are not connected to ourselves. Guides like Mansi ma'am help us to connect to ourselves.
During a therapy session, I connected to the moment when I took birth. The masters were in front of me, and the surrounding was filled with bright light. Suddenly, vibrations started on the left side of my chest, where I always had pain. The vibrations increased so much that I could feel them in my entire body. I then realized that the pain in my right shoulder had increased. It was so acute that I could not tolerate it. It continued even after the session was over, and the vibrations persisted. I was wondering what was happening. I soon realized after a week that my practice had increased from 1.5 hours to 7 hours per day. I had earlier forgotten what a workout is. Now, I lift heavy weights and work out in the gym for almost 2 hours daily. This was an amazing experience for me. During another session, I saw Jordan and Australia. I had never been there. I did not understand the significance of this, but after a few days, I got an unexpected offer to conduct a coaching camp in Australia. I have a friend in Jordan who eventually intends to invite me there for work. My attitude while coaching has changed completely. Children are very happy in the camps now. My career in singles, which had stopped due to the pain, has restarted completely.
My guilt for not being with my grandfather at the time of his death was eating me away. It was always disturbing me. During the session, I could meet him and could express my love for him. He always told everyone that I was his special granddaughter, but I had never expressed my feelings towards him. My guilt was completely released after the session and I felt very free. My nephew Aditya, who was 3.5 years old, had some fear to go to school due to some incident. I took him to Mansi for healing sessions. Because of his age, I was very skeptical about his sessions. But surprisingly, his sessions were conducted in a playway method and his fears disappeared completely.
The persons who come for the sessions need to observe some simple norms. They should trust the process and the regressionist and should surrender completely to the flow of the sessions. They should come willingly for the sessions. During the session, the instruction of the regressionist must be followed completely, and the person taking it must come out of the session only when asked to do so. Loose-fitting clothes should be preferably worn. During the session, intense emotions like anger, sadness, pain, etc. may be experienced. Yet, they should continue the process without fear.
Hold the hands of the Master. Ask the Master to give you messages. When you walk alone, yeah,
don't hold yourself back.
Don't hold yourself back, yeah.
If the future scares you, welcome it.
Welcome it.
Only if you take a step forward,
Only if you take a step
you'll
forward,
be able to create your own reality.
yeah, you will be able to create your reality.
In fact, after the session, each individual feels very calm and light, and their confidence increases extremely. They feel immense love in their heart. So, is there really a past life? What are the evidences of it? Well, every individual's experience is the strong evidence.
Being a science student, I was never superstitious and did not believe in such techniques. But I came here with an open mind. With Mansi's help, I got answers to my questions and I found the purpose of my life. This was very important for me because this single answer clarified my doubts. My perspective to look at others and myself changed completely. Mansi also taught me meditation, and practicing meditation increased my sense of calm and gave me peace from within. I feel that instead of debating whether this is a science or not, anyone who needs it should experience it and should reap its benefits and only then draw conclusions.
Many a times, we get some signs of incomplete issues from our past lives. For example, dreams. We get many dreams which we do not understand. Moreover, sometimes we instantly like some people or we instantly feel an aversion for some.
My relationship with my brothers was very unstable. But in the regression session, I could release it and the turmoil in my mind was naturally over. Today I share a wonderful relationship with my brother. It is a harmonious relationship now and I am with complete forgiveness. The other issue I had was regarding my partner, my husband. I had an intense fear of losing him. When he traveled, I would be very anxious and spend sleepless nights. During regression sessions, I understood that in many lives he had separated from me and most of the times the separation was due to death. I also learnt that we do not separate from one another. We are all one. We are all together in this journey. My fears gradually reduced. I have benefited a lot from past life regression. People are drawn towards me and I too feel love for all. My relationships with one and all have improved. My relationship with my brother, my husband, and with myself have improved. And I give the credit of all this transformation to Mansi.
Some persons experience failure in spite of all the efforts they make. The root cause of these two is in the blocks that they carry from their past. The child prodigies that we see, a 3-year-old that can recite the Vedas or knows music, dance or other forms of art, even if he has made no effort to learn it. Seeing this, we instantly feel that it may be a past life talent. Certainly it is. Similarly, some persons experience xenoglossy. That is, they speak words of a certain language which they have neither learnt nor heard. This too comes from a past life. Even cities or temples have been found in excavations. This too is from their past life memories. Persons who have OCD repeat actions for no reason, like checking a lock over and over again or closing a drawer repeatedly. Even they do not understand why they wash their hands repeatedly or take a bath for a long time. Yes, this is from the past.
I required a long time to get ready in the morning. I checked the door many times. I had no confidence. This certainly slowed my progress in all respects. During a session, I saw that I was a monkey in a past life and fell down a waterfall. I also had a fear of heights. In another life, I saw myself falling into a deep valley. After these sessions, I can now get ready fast and can take quick decisions.
Multiple personalities and schizophrenia also have their root cause in the past life experiences.
Many times, in case of neurological disorders in patients, the symptoms of the attacks persist in spite of treatment. We cannot reach the root cause of these disorders. To give a common example, migraine. Migraine is many times hereditary, or many young women have neuralgia, that is nerve pain. Some people also get fits or convulsions. These issues are controlled many times, but in some cases they cannot be curbed at all. When such problems persist in spite of treatment, we are at a loss. It is like groping in the dark. As a professional, I began searching whether past life regression can help the patients in such cases. To implement any new technique, experiencing it first is essential. I have myself experienced this technique. I understand that self-realization and the experience that I got during this systematic process were the same. I have also found that many patients are certainly benefiting from this. I have myself started using this technique for my patients to some extent. Common question is this scientific? After all, what is a scientific method? Whenever an evidence or a proof is given, it is supposed to be a scientific method. But this definition is wrong. In the 1970s, a book, Scientific Method, was written by A.B. Shah. He says, an observation is an observation. Can you refute an observation? Just because you do not know the explanation behind that observation, never call that observation unscientific. This can be applied to past life regression or any other parapsychological technique. If you look at these techniques with an open mind, you will find many proof. In fact, we fall short of knowledge and scientific equipment to validate the knowledge. So we cannot point out and say, this is the sun and this is Jaithrath. That is, we cannot prove or validate this knowledge now. Today, the knowledge of meditation has spread rapidly due to the efforts of many wise souls. It is now understood and practiced by many. But was the Western world open to accept pranayam and meditation 50 years back? When experience proved and we reaped the benefits, it is now accepted as a science. During my practice, from the observation of the benefits in my patients and as a science student, I wish to affirm that past life regression is indeed a valuable gift. In 2009, we talk about assumptions and observations. Who knows, in the next 50 years as science develops, and when the science behind past life regression is validated, people viewing this film will be amused to hear us talk like this. We need to look at past life regression with an open mind and a broader view. It is necessary to take experiences and gain realizations from it, and there is certainly no harm in doing so. What is most important is we should try to understand this science and apply it to heal mankind.
Since ancient times, humans have a curiosity of past lives, and we will always be with this curiosity. We all have not got all the answers. If you want an experience, you may contact us. All that you need for this is a true will.
Past life regression helps to resolve issues related to health, wealth, relationships, fears, phobias, and to find the purpose of life. Persons of all age groups may take the benefits of their knowledge and skills.